Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we've got the VW Mark 8 Golf R. Starting at the front, we have the iconic VW logo, proudly displayed on the nose of the car. The headlights are slim and sleek, with a distinctive LED light signature. The front bumper is aggressive and sporty, with a distinctive design that sets it apart from the standard Golf. You notice the large air intakes on either side, which help to cool the engine and brakes. The dashboard is clean and modern with a focus on digital displays. You've got a large infotainment screen in the center and a digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel. At the back, we have the distinctive R logo, sleek rear lights, and a sporty diffuser with dual exhaust pipes that give the Golf R its distinctive soundtrack. And finally, we have the 19-inch alloy wheels, which are wrapped in questionable tires, which might not be the best choice for a high-performance car like this. This car is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged inline-4, pushing 320 horsepower and 420 Nm of torque. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.